How to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred. Please try login again. So if you're facing that kind of problem, or if you're facing a problem with login error and it says that an unexpected error occurred, please try logging in again. So what you need to do is simply tap on OK. Then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. So you need to simply go for your Wi-Fi. Tap on your Wi-Fi, go for more Wi-Fi settings, and then you can check if you have your network connection. If you don't have your Wi-Fi connection, then you can connect to your mobile data and then try to log into your account. And even after having the internet connection, if it's not working, then tap and hold on to your power button and go for restart and restart your device. Once you restart your device, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go for your Play Store. And here, search for Facebook. Once you've searched here, if you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your application, because if you have not updated your application, then you might find some kind of problems. Once you've updated, now even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then try to uninstall your account and then again install it and then log into your account. And even after doing all of that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then it might be a sign of lock. So your account might be logged by Facebook. So if it is logged, then what you can do is open up your Google or your browser, anything, and then go for fix logged Facebook account. And from here, tap on recover your Facebook account if you can't log in, which will be on the first option. And from here, you can simply go for facebook.com/login/identity. And then you need to enter your mobile number or your email number or your name. And once you enter that, you need to simply tap on search. And once you've searched here, if you have your account logged, then you will be having some steps to unlock your account. Follow the steps and your account will be unlocked. So that's how you can fix your login error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.